Right guys, just doing a bit of joinery. It's very homespun stuff. Just making a bit of a table. It's just all driftwood that I've found. It's going to be solid as an ox when it's done. I'm just going to make a bit of a shelf that goes over the middle like that. Like that, get some spars across there. And it'll be fit to put plants on. Just one of those jobs I've wanted to do for ages. But it's more of a modern art project, I think, than a gardening project, although it's going to be very useful. So that's what I'm up to. Just smoking a bit of the French-Belgian mix in the Czech Oxford pipe. Nice little straight prints. So anyway, that is what I am up to. It's been fun. I'm going to paint it all red when I'm done. Got this fence paint. And it'll last. I might even put some casters on it underneath. But it just shows what you can do with a bit of driftwood. I've got some more stuff there. Got loads actually. Loads of driftwood. So that's the old table. And I shall get on with the job because they say that this beautiful weather is going to end soon. We're going to be getting a bit of snow possibly within coming days, so I need to get done outside what I can now. Right guys, I shall wish you a good afternoon and hope you're keeping well. Thanks for watching.